guys, about your Baba Boy. Today here and we don't try to not laugh challenge. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, it's already funny. The god. Oh Christmas, the movie that I hate it. Almost so curse. No one, please no. Always curse. That's a kid in this room. Okay, just oh, them just cute. Them not fun. Them taking the universe. That's normal. The bloody screen. It's so hard to laugh, guys. So you guys just try to laugh challenge. Oh, that's not laugh. That's not funny. It was gorgeous. I'm sweating like a pig. I hate this. It's always curse. This is always curse. Chicken always curse. Wait, that's a video. All chickens. Taking the tao, you know. Oh. Oh, this Spider-Man always curse. What am doing? What the hell? What the mutant is that? Oh my god, this is so hard to laugh, guys. Oh my god. Oh, what Sandman? This guy. It's not like that in a real movie. Oh my god. And one more. I already forgot. Because it's taking the long time ago. It's taking over the banana. Oh hey, buzzing Woody. Them always curse. Woody Buzz is always curse. What the hell is that? Why? Oh my god, I hate this. It's so not loud. Oh, I laughed. I lost a heart. I got 2 hearts left. Yeah. Yeah, guys, I have 3 hearts now, turning to 2 hearts. That I'm going not to laugh. And then this was crazy to tackle. Oh my god, wait, I'll just let giggle. Now let half little bit too. Doesn't sing. Giggle means 1% means like someone eat that too. Oh god. Oh, Jesus Christ. I always catch them running. Oh, just a little hamster. Oh. Yep. Get the white hamster and put it in the barrel and shoot it like a captain. And what's this? What the hell is that? Rest in peace, boy. Oh, Donkey Kong. Not even cursor, yo. Never mind. What are you doing? Wait, that's Shrek. That's Shrek's one. Oh no, Shrek always cursed. Yep. Sure, this is so sad. That's my miss. Sorry guys, maybe I paused the video. You need to subscribe in Eco TV and and we need to get to 1 billion likes. And thanks guys. It's back on the video. Oh my god, it's just crazy. I hate this song. I'm always cursed. I could laugh. Now I have 1 heart. And now, wait, I like super 2 bites at my two. No, chocolate. Just chocolate, girl. Chocolate. What the frick? Oh, it's Megan. And oh, it's doing snap. Oh my god. Nice.
15 ito? 15?
Sorry guys, I think I laughed. That's the day and the video is good. And subscribe and notifications. People out. Peace.